Now children, I'll teach you how to draw the cross section of the contour diagram given or the contour lines given. So suppose this is a kind of contour given and the values are increasing inwards. That means it is starting from 100, then 200, 300, 400 and 500. Now this means that it must be a highland because the innermost contour has the highest value and the outermost, that is 100, which is close to the surface of the earth, that is above the mean sea level, it is 100 meters height, and then 200, 300, 400 and 500. So the first thing we will do is draw a line AB which will help us to draw the cross sections. So we have drawn AB line. In most of the contours in your exams or tests you will get, you will get AB line will be drawn. In case it is not, then you will draw the line AB touching all the contours from both the sides. Then we draw another two lines which is below A, that is A to C and B to D. Now when you make this rectangle or a square, you have to take care that it should be adjusting to the value given in the contour. The highest value is 500. So how many lines will we need? At least 5 to 6 lines. So we will draw parallel lines with the values which are given like this. So your first line, the bottommost line, will start from 0 because we are taking the height from the mean sea level. So 0 in just next to C, I have written 0, then 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. So that is the outermost, the highest most height given, and the height is in meters, so you will mention it, height in meters. Then you will put your scale where the line AB is crossing the contour 100. So I put the scale on 100 meters line, and then it will join the line which is at the bottom, the parallel line which you have drawn towards the bottom of the contour, and it should touch 100 meters. It should touch 100 meters on both the sides. So those 2 points are touching, these 2 lines which I have marked as broken lines. These are giving the height of 100 meters. Then I have drawn it for 200 meter. So I have put my scale at 200 meters and then drawn a line which is not coming till 100, it is ending at 200 meter parallel line. Then whenever you are drawing the cross section or these broken lines, you have to take care that they are touching line AB, which is very, very important. Likewise, I have done for all the contours. For 100, the lines are touching 100 below, and then 200, then 300, 400 and 500. So this is how you will make the lines, and then you will start joining it from 0, because any highland will not be flying in the air, it is touching the ground. Therefore the 0 point has to be touched, and then we keep joining it like this. All the points have been joined. Now above 500 there is nothing, no point is marked because the height here is ending at 500. So till there I have marked with free hand. You have to draw it on your own. Then you will make a curve. It is not a flat land, and therefore a curve is made, and then the lines below will be joined like this. So this is giving us the feature or the landform which is gentle at one side and steep on the other side. So this kind of landform is gentle and steep slope, which is also known as the escarpment. So this is how the cross section of contour is made. So this is a gentle and a steep slope, so final will come out like this. Now what happens here, you have to, just for revision I'm telling, take care of the line AB and see that the points A is joining, 100 meters point is joining, or it is marked till 100 meters only on both the sides. Then you will put your scale at 200 meters point and then draw the line on both the sides. Likewise, you will do it for 300 also. You will put your point scale which is touching the contour, and on both the sides it will be marked on the line 300. Likewise, it will be done for all the points. So this touching of the line AB is important, and connecting it with the line which you have drawn, the parallel lines which you have drawn with the exact value. So this is how the contours are made. Children, there is another example for you. This is a contour line of you can say conical hill, because the contours are circular in nature and they are beginning from 100 and increasing inwards. So we will see how the cross section of this will be made. So the contour lines are 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500 meters. So you will copy this in your notebook if you have it in front of you, otherwise do it later. Then second step, line AB is drawn, which is touching all the contours on both the sides, 500, 400, 300, 200 and 100. Then we draw two other lines, that is CD, which is joining, A and C is joined and B and D is joined. After that, after this, we will make parallel lines which will be horizontal lines, and it will be of the same value like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. Though 600 is not there, but to show the elevation we will have to draw 600 also. Then we have labeled it in meters. Don't forget to write in meters, and these value are of a difference of 100 meters. Then I have put my scale on point A and I have drawn the line from A point till 100 meters here. Likewise, on the other side also it is drawn and touching the line 100 meters. Then we come to the next, that is 200. So we'll put our scale here and draw the line till 200 on both the sides, and we will continue doing it for all the contours and marking it on the values given matching with this. Then with freehand we will join it. Here it is joining from 100, but you will start from 0, and then you will make a curve here and come down towards the other side, and this indicates that it is a conical hill. So this is how the contours or the cross section of the contours are made.